Hi everyone, my name is Annick Levesque and I'm presently in my store. We are based in Montreal. Today I would like to show you one of my style. The name is Emma. So Emma have been created for people who like to wear work bag but also casual and a purse for every day. So first of all, what it makes our collection different from others is because we invented a zipper that activates light inside of a bag. So how it's working, you have to open the zipper till the very end, and then the light turns on automatically. So the zipper is the trigger. So if you need to change the battery, you just have to open the small little pocket here, and it gives you the access to the battery holder. You need 2 watch battery. You can easily buy them everywhere, and it lasts for about 1 year without changing them. So it's about 96 hours. So this bag is very functional because you have a different pocket. You can fit like a sunglass case in this pouch here. You can also fit reading glass case. You can fit a notebook as well, and you have a snap for this section here. If you have a mini iPad, I think it could fit too. You have also a little zipper pocket, and you have also an attach for the keys, so you will never search for your keys anymore. And this bag is also enough big to fit MacBook Pro 15-inch. It could fit also you can fit also legal size document, and you can fit also folders, wallet, makeup bag, bottle of water, even hats, pencils, and all your cables and other things that you might need. The front pocket is also enough big and enough deep to fit our big phones. So you can use this shorter strap to wear it as a shoulder bag, and you can also wear it with the long strap as well as a crossbody. So my model here, she's a size medium, and she's a 5'9" top. So you can wear also with the long shoulder bag. So this is more like the working bag for this function. But as you can see behind me, you can see there's another way to wearing it. So this is the same style. The only difference is without when you don't fill up this bag with laptop or with all your folders. So you just have to pinch the corner of the bag, and then you just press in the both corners to fold in this part, and then it becomes your everyday bag. So you can wear it like that on your shoulder, and if you don't like the round handle, you can also adjust the long strap as well and make it shorter. So you just use this one and just you're ready to go. So you can also wear it as a crossbody. Right now we just have black and gold or black with silver for the colors options. So as you can see, you have this bag here in the black with silver, and you have this bag here in black with gold. So for more colors, just follow us on Facebook, on our Facebook page, and you will see our update, or also you can visit our website. And if you have more questions regarding that style, please feel free to get in touch with us, and we're going to reply you as fast as possible. Thank you.